Good day everyone, my name is Sana and today I will talk about my advocacy, the spread of fake news. Stop the spread of fake news. Nowadays, social media is one of the main sources of information for many people. Through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms, news spreads very fast. However, not all information in Facebook or online is true. Some people share fake news or false information without checking if it is real or not. Because of this, many people become confused or misinformed. Fake news can cause fear, misunderstanding, and conflict among people. Sometimes, it can be damage the reputation of a person or organization. Many people can easily believe fake news because of catchy title, uh, edited pictures, or misleading videos posted online. Here in the Philippines, the government and different organizations are encouraging people to fact check information before sharing it online. School also teach students the importance of responsible social media use and critical thinking. So as a student, I believe that we should be responsible in using social media. Before sharing any information or news, we must first check if it comes from trusted sources. We should avoid spreading fake news or unverified information because one simple share can affect many people. For me, the best solution to fake news is awareness and discipline. So people should learn how to identify the reliable information and avoid believing everything they see online. By thinking carefully before sharing posts, we can help stop the spread of fake news. While making this video, I realized that fake news is a serious matter or problem in our society today. As young people, we should use social media wisely and become responsible users of information. In this way, we can help create a more informed and responsible community. Always remember, be responsible, think before you share, and think before you click.